So here I am, watching Chris. She's frozen. And here's little Julia, asleep on the desk beside me. I put that mat down so she would find it more comfortable, and she loves it. But I know there's another cat around because I can hear it snoring somewhere. But I can't find the cat. There's no cat here. And I'm trying to find out where the cat is that's snoring. There's no cat there. No cat there. Where is the snoring cat? No, really, I mean, cat tower? Because Julia isn't snoring. She's lying right beside me there. Nobody in the cat tower. Mystery. The snoring and yet not present cat. Weird. No cat there by the window. Tiger's not snoring. Because I know it's Ty. She's the one who snores. But yeah, that is really mysterious. Who's snoring, Julia? Who is doing the snoring? Now, because I've been walking around, whoever it was has stopped. Oh well. I think I'll go back to Chris. Right. Right. Go back to Chris. See you later.